Google and Instagram both demand a phone number before you can even open a second account. Most people just hand over their real one. Here's how to skip that entirely, legally, in under a minute. Both platforms need a number for one reason: proving you're not a bot creating accounts in bulk. They don't verify it's your number. They verify that a real SIM on a real network received a real SMS. That's the entire check. A temporary number from a real carrier passes that check every time, because technically, it is real. For Google, go to SMS-MAN, pick a country, select Google from the service list. Copy the number. Start the Google sign-up, paste it in the phone field. Switch back, code lands in your dashboard in under a minute. Enter it. Account verified. For Instagram, same exact flow. Select Instagram instead of Google. One thing that matters here: match the country of the number to the region you're signing up from if Instagram asks for it. Otherwise, the mismatch alone can trigger a review. Outside of that, identical process, identical speed. Works the same for any platform that asks for SMS verification. SMS-MAN, 190 countries, 1,000 plus platforms from 1 cent. Link in the description.